All right, how to deal with this stuff. You got your load on, you're ready to go. Take all this garbage and make a loop. Let me get this in there. You seeing this? Not a tight loop, just make a loop, like reasonable, and start rolling it up. Just roll that up. When you get down to the end, let's see if I can zoom on this. You take that, reach through, and then pull that through that. Now it's all secured. And then you can take that, put it underneath there, press it down. Bam! That ain't going anywhere. Worst case scenario, it flaps in the wind like that. You see that again? Let me undo it all. Starting from scratch. You got a big knot here. Better not mention that again. So, take it, make a loop, just roll it up. No big deal. Just roll her up. Might get this in there. Might have been off frame a little bit, sorry. Forgot I zoomed. You get down to the end, just reach through, grab it, and then pull itself through that loop. That's going nowhere. That will never come undone. Yeah, that's how you do that. How to. Enjoy.